everyone! Today we are going to draw and color a cute rainbow snail. Let's start drawing. At first I am going to draw her house like this. And then I draw her body. Now let's draw a cute face for our snail. Let's start coloring. I am going to color our cute snail with the colors of the rainbow. Pink color. Purple color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. I color her body with light pink. It looks so cute. See you next video.